Set into the mountainside on the outskirts of Palma de Mallorca, this house by OHLAB is designed as a quiet retreat that almost disappears into its surroundings. Rather than becoming another object in the urban landscape, the architecture chooses to step back, allowing the mountain, the vegetation, and the changing light to take center stage. From the beginning, the project was shaped by a simple idea: to live with the landscape rather than impose upon it. Partially concealed from the street, the house turns away from the city and the sea, opening instead toward the mountain and the forest. Its southern orientation brings sunlight deep into the home, while the surrounding vegetation provides privacy and a sense of shelter.
The architecture follows the natural slope of the terrain. Instead of creating one large building, the program is divided into 5 distinct volumes, containing the kitchen and dining area, living room, bedrooms, studio, and pool. These elements are arranged across a series of stepped platforms that gently descend,
with the land, reducing the need for excavation while preserving much of the existing vegetation. At the center of this fragmented composition is an open courtyard, creating a shared space where the different parts of the house come together. More than simply connecting the volumes, the courtyard brings a piece of the mountain into the heart of the home. Here, architecture and landscape become inseparable, and moving from one space to another becomes an experience of moving through the terrain itself. The connection to the site is also expressed through the material language. Across the interior and exterior, tall terrazzo panels are made from cement mixed with stone aggregates, echoing the colors and textures of the surrounding rock. Their surfaces are deeply grooved and then manually fractured, creating a distinctive geometric pattern. Rather than imitating the natural stone literally, the material offers an abstract interpretation of the mountain, carrying its texture and memory into the architecture. Light also plays an essential role in the experience of the house. In the entrance hall, a circular skylight draws sunlight down from above, creating a quiet moment of transition between the outside world and the interior. Elsewhere, large openings frame carefully selected views, while the elongated swimming pool extends toward the valley like a still mirror, reflecting the sky and surrounding landscape. The garden follows the same philosophy. Native pines, olive trees, wild olives, and Mediterranean shrubs are reintroduced with a low-maintenance, water-conscious approach, allowing the vegetation to become a natural continuation of the architecture. Ultimately, this house is not about making a statement in the landscape. Its strength lies precisely in its restraint. By breaking the architecture into smaller volumes, following the natural topography, and allowing local materials and vegetation to shape the experience, OHLAB creates a home that feels less like an object placed on the mountain and more like a quiet extension of it.